Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another episode of TapLab, and today we're doing another Cash App video. And we're going to talk about what states in the US are not allowed to use Cash App for Bitcoin purchases. Okay, so here we are within the Cash App. This is the app that I use to buy Bitcoin. If you don't know, I do an experiment where I buy $1 of Bitcoin every single day using the Cash App. So feel free to check out the Cash App playlist and those videos if you're interested. About a week ago, I did a video outlining some of the policies for Cash App and Bitcoin. So this is along the lines of that video, but maybe check that one out as well because it's very important. It goes more in depth and it'll give you a lot of information on what you're allowed to do, what you're not allowed to do with Cash App in Bitcoin to make sure that you don't get your account or your wallet shut down. But getting right into this, we're talking about what states are not allowed to use Cash App for Bitcoin purchases. If you don't know, Cash App has a Bitcoin section, this squiggly line down here in the tab bar, where it's basically just a Bitcoin wallet. You can also buy and sell Bitcoin. In order to see the states not accepted in their policies, we can tap on our profile in the top right, then we can scroll down and we can tap on Terms of Service. Down here on the bottom is just this gray text. I'm gonna open that in Chrome. So here is the full Cash App standard Terms of Service. And if we scroll all the way to the bottom, we'll see additional virtual currency Terms of Service. So this is where you can find the Bitcoin Terms of Service. If we scroll down here, we'll see number 3, availability. Square may not make all of the services available in all markets and jurisdictions, and may restrict or prohibit use of all or a portion of the services from certain states, territories, or jurisdictions. At this time, restricted locations include, but are not limited to, New York and Georgia. You must not attempt to use our service if you are located in any of those restricted locations. So basically it's saying, as of right now, New York and Georgia are not allowed to use Cash App for Bitcoin. I think it's for Bitcoin. It might be just Cash App in general. I'd have to read the main terms of service, but I think this is only associated to the virtual currencies. Also note that it now says New York and Georgia is what it includes, but it could add or remove other states. So yeah, there's the current restricted states. I'd love to hear from people that live in one of those states if they're able to purchase Bitcoin on Cash App, or like, does it just give you an error? Have you maybe been purchasing it but you weren't aware of that policy? I'm just curious to see what happens to people that live in those states. Also, while we're here, let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy in the bottom left, move the slider to $1, tap buy again, scan our fingerprint, and just like that, we purchased $1 of Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is currently at $8,270. I've purchased Bitcoin for 252 days in a row, I believe. I have $316.19 in here. Let's open up the calculator. 316.19 divided by 252 equals a 1.25x on my investment. So that's pretty solid just for dollar cost averaging. Let's go ahead and zoom out here. So I'm mostly up because I was buying in this zone right here. And we've been going sideways in this zone for quite a while now. So some of that I bought here, that's down, but all the stuff I bought here is up. So that's why it's a 1.25x. And that'll do it for today's video. I hope you guys found this helpful or interesting. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come and last, so go hard.